pretty much different to last time. Probably a little bit more straining than pulling a plane because it's carrying the weight on the shoulders as well as trying to pull back.
Guys, make it go.
Really well. Every year he just absolutely does a brilliant job. Just excels every year. He should be proud of himself today.
He did it really well. Considering he's got a bit of an injury to his knee, he's done extremely well.
Not quite as far as I wanted it to go. We couldn't provide more. We haven't really had a practice with it, so I didn't really know what to expect with it. But appreciate everyone turning out and supporting it as always.